Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my cute Sumikko Gurashi design. For this design, you'll want to start out by painting all of your nails sheer. On the first nail, we'll be making the penguin character, so at your cuticle, use a lime green to make a semicircle. When it's dry, use white to make a smaller semicircle at the base and then an oval above it with yellow. Outline the penguin with dark brown and then add details to the beak. Keep using brown to add the eyes and two flippers. Fill the flippers in with green and then seal in your design with a top coat. Next up is the polar bear character, so start off by making a white semicircle at your cuticle and then add two rounded ears. Make small pink semicircles inside each of the ears and then outline the polar bear with dark brown. Keep using brown to outline the ears and to make the nose, eyes, and paws. Sealing your design with a top coat. Next, we have the kitty character. For this one, first make a beige semicircle at your cuticle. Make two triangular ears above the semicircle. Fill in the left ear with yellow and make a white circle in the center. Outline the cat with dark brown. Keep using the same brown to outline the snout and to add a nose, whiskers, eyes, and paws. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the pinky, we have the dinosaur/lizard character, so this time start with a blue semicircle. Add a beige tummy and then outline the dinosaur with dark brown. Add the mouth, eyes, and paws, and then fill the paws in with blue. Sealing your design with a top coat. Last up, we have the Tonkatsu character. So for this one, make a tan semicircle at your cuticle and then make dots all along the outline. Add a pink oval in the center. Outline the character and add details with dark brown. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!